Alright my Pungios, this is the Eufy Security all-in-one garage control by Anchor. This is going to fit specifically for your garage. What I want to do is I actually kind of want to place it underneath the garage because it's got this sensor here to be able to connect to your garage. So what it'll do is it'll provide obviously a camera, security, as well as 2K resolution, but you can control your garage from your phone, which is cool. I really like that. It's got that sensor here. So best thing about Eufy is the 24/7 monitoring that comes with the app. You just log into it and you've got it. There's no subscription here. In the box, as you can see, here is your sensor unit, pretty straightforward. Here is your camera unit and speaker. It's the 2K camera, and this is, it seems like it does have some stabilization and it can move, which is kind of cool. I like that. This is where it's going to be fastening to the unit, and then this is the electronics. Give you guys a little bit closer of a look. Very high quality build material and quality. Looks like it's really high quality. This is where you can put your SD card to record. And the unit here, I thought it had, I guess you're going to be placing on the sticker, the sticky part to be able to place on your wall. So let's go and go through the rest of the box here and show you. It's got your documentation and your product and all of your cords and whatnot to be able to connect it. You got your anchors and screws to be able to connect both devices. You've got your 3M adhesive. You got your plug, obviously. It's got a USB Type-C cable to charge, which is nice. Very, very long here if you wanted to power it as well, which is cool. I like that. There it is. There's the battery. You're going to be placing the battery inside there. And then here is a mounting plate. This is the magnetic mounting plate here that I shouldn't have done that. Darn it. This is where you're going to be screwing the camera itself, but there we go. Okay, good. So I can't take it off. It's very, very magnetic, but this is your mount. Okay, first things first, you want to mount the camera here, obviously to the bottom side of your garage door opener. It is magnetic, so you can add a 3M adhesive here if you want to be able to secure it there, but I'm just going to place it just like that right there. Next step is connecting your plug to the USB Type-C on the back side to give it power. Conveniently, I have a plug here on the top that powers my garage door opener. You'll notice that the head of the camera is lit red. From the Eufy Security app, add a device. We're going to go down to the garage door control cam. We're going to add it to the home. We're going to scan the QR code here on the bottom of the device. It's flashing red.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Press the sync button. Now it's flashing blue. Now it's ready to connect. Put in your Wi-Fi.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful.
Next step is wiring your garage door. The wiring is a little bit complex here, but what you need to do there in the first left two spaces, you're going to need to put the cord that goes from the Eufy and pair it and twist it together with the first two. So I had to take those two out and I had to put them together, as you can see. This is what the garage door is going to look like when it's connected. You can zoom in. You've got the whole wide range of your garage. You can speak through it. Hello? You can even start recording. Here it is, we're recording. You can see it's actually got quite a wide field of view. I like that a lot. You can see me coming into view of the camera. Here it is, we're recording. You can see it's actually got quite a wide field of view. I like that a lot. You can see me coming into view of the camera. You're going to go ahead and mount the sensor by placing the battery inside of the unit. You take out the back piece. This is also your mounting plate. And you place in the large watch battery. Find a spot here in the corner. You're going to go ahead and place it. This is where the sensor goes. At this point, we're going to go ahead and test the garage door opener. There we go. We tapped it. Now the garage is opening. Okay, once we've installed it here, you got to press the sync button until it flashes blue. Now it's flashing blue. Hit flashing blue, then it's going to sync. Alright, it's successfully synced. Is the garage door closed? Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and open it. Nice. That's awesome. We are now live. Everything's connected. We've done it all. This really annoying piece is there, but let's go ahead and shut the garage through the sensor. It makes loud noises, alerting you that it's going down. You can see my garage door is closing successfully. Very loud. Very, very loud. Alright, so this is what the recording sounds like. This is a playback here. It's actually huge, wide angle. I love it. You can change the camera just by pushing up and down on it. You can't really adjust it here from the device, but this is a great angle to be able to see edge to edge, wall to wall from my garage. Lastly, we can go ahead now and set up the garage with my Google Home, which is really, really fun. From Google Home, you hit set up device. Works with Google. You're going to log into your Eufy. We're going to check for new devices. Once you've gone through your two-factor authentication, we can go ahead now and add the new device here into your Google Home. We've got the garage camera. Let's go ahead and hit next. We're going to add it to the garage. We're going to now add the garage door. We're going to add it to the garage as well. What's great here is we can now ask Google to open the garage. Open garage.
Got it. Opening the garage door.
Okay, open the garage. There we go. Lastly here, let's go ahead and show you the camera from your Google Home Hub. Hey Google, show me the garage cam.
Got it. Streaming the garage on kitchen display.
There's the garage door, as you can see. Streaming magnificently. Hey Google, close the garage.
Got it. Closing the garage door.
Here it goes. Garage door is going to close. You can hear in the background as my wife cooks food. Home control, cameras. You can see garage. We can tap the garage. It'll open it straight up. You can see it's closed now. Now it's closed.